If you're looking to install a generator during the winter months and there happens to be a snowstorm, typically the process is before we can even think about installing a generator, we have to apply for the proper permits. Typically the townships take 3 to 4 weeks to do any approvals, and it just so happens that we get the approvals back like during a blizzard or a snowstorm. We would have to wait until the storm passed, but we could do the installation directly after the snowstorm. We will do a little bit of digging to level the pad, so the frozen ground doesn't mean too much to us. So we can typically do generator installations year-round as we do them year-round. Try not to wait until those busy months to do so. The best thing to do is try to plan it 6 months out, so that when those months roll in, you're already set and ready to go. You're not in a mad scramble to get your generator installed. So you want to make sure if you're looking to install a generator, and we know we're going to be getting a storm December 1st, don't wait until the last minute. You got to call now. Make sure that you're getting ahead of the ball, because there's a process involved. It takes 3 to 4 weeks before we can do the installation based on permits and all that. So you don't want to wait till the last minute. Give us a call now so we can set everything up. Make sure you have the generator for that snowfall that's coming December 1st. Anthony Valley Northeast Generators. We can service all your generator needs from installations to maintenance and repairs. Thank you for watching the video.